Hi, hello.
Hello.
Hi, can I meet with the senior designer, Elvin?
Of course. Have you made an appointment with him?
Yes, it's my first time here. Are you guys busy right now?
Great. Not really. I'm just doing some 3D drawings.
Oh, what's that?
Wanna take a look? This is 3D drawings. It is a computer-generated graphics to help homeowners to visualize their home.
Nice.
Hi.
Oh, hello. Are you senior designer, Elvin?
Yes, my name is Elvin, the senior designer here. How may I assist you?
I have a few design ideas and criteria, but I don't know if you can help me fit into my home within my budget.
Sure, anything possible here. Shall we head upstairs for the discussion?
Yeah, sure. Let's head upstairs.
Follow me this way.
Wow, you guys seem very busy. Are you guys having some sort of event?
Yes, we are having the event. Let's have a seat over there.
Alright, before asking more, I think we should talk about my home first.
Yeah, sure. Do you have any design in mind?
Yes, I have an idea.
Oh, let me have a look.
When is your event? So maybe I can head on down to find out more.
Our event will be on 20th and 21st of April.
Wow, that's nice. So you guys have promotions during the event?
Of course, you may have stand a chance to win away our attractive prizes, cash rebate up to $5,000, plus 7% instant GST discount.
Ah, I see.
And also, for the first 50 homeowners who comes down with their floor plan, they will get free transport, $50 Samsung voucher, and Marvel Avengers Endgame movie tickets.
Ah, so what's this?
Oh, this is my designer. She's helping out with our event. Let me introduce you to her.
Oh, cool. Oh, hello there.
Hi, I'm Deanna. I'm the designer in charge of the upcoming event.
Oh, hi. Will there be any surprises during the event?
Yes, we're actually giving away doggies for everyone, as well as we have a celebrity guest arriving on the 20th of April.
Oh, who is the celebrity guest?
That will be Chen Han Wei, our celebrity artist.
Wow, anyways, why do you call it Renopedia?
Well, basically, it's like a Monopoly where you play the game and you get to win different prizes.
What time does it start?
It starts at 10 a.m. and finishes at 9 p.m.
Cool, I'll definitely come down. Anyways, thank you for bringing me around.
Sure, not a problem.
See you at the event!
Bye.